Hello, beautiful family. Yes, it's the Fin again. I'm back with worldwide opportunity. Yes, if you are new here, this YouTube channel is all about worldwide remote jobs. Guys, no limitation. Any country where you are, it's work from anywhere. Those are the jobs that I share with you. If you are looking for that kind of content, kindly subscribe, like, and share. We have data entry jobs, beginner friendly. All those jobs are the jobs that I post jobs almost every day. Like this one is for yesterday. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 companies that are always hiring globally. Yes, this is secret revealed because I always go to those websites and search for a job and come and share with you here on this YouTube channel. Yes, if you are out of YouTube, if you didn't get a chance to come and visit my channel, you will be able to access and see if they have worldwide remote jobs. Yes, beginner friendly, because we always target beginner friendly with no experience. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you all those companies. I'm going to share with you the source of those jobs. In that way, if you are not on YouTube, you can access those companies. I advise you to take pen and paper and take a note to all those companies so that when you are out of YouTube channel, you will be able to access those companies. Let's get started. Before we dive into the video, I would like to tell you thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. The first company is Amazon. Yes, Amazon is very legit company, well known in the industry. It's been there for long. Yes, they have these remote jobs that they post. You can go ahead and take this. I will link the link in the description box. Every day you visit those jobs, you can filter the job according to what you want. If you want part-time, full-time, if you want finance in business, maintenance, you can filter accordingly. For example, you can see they have 12 remote jobs available. As you can see, they have this risk analyst. Sometimes you may find it is in United States companies, but you have to go to the second page to see if they have worldwide job available. If not, we can move on the next company. This is append.com. Append.com always have projects for data entry position. Especially what they do, they work with artificial intelligence. So what you do is to help with them in their project so that they improve in their AI project. So what you have to do is to sign up with them and join their crowd. So if you click here on careers, this page will show up, and then you will submit, you will join their crowd, and then if there is a job available which match with your interest, you can see you can post your LinkedIn account. I always emphasize on LinkedIn account. If you have a very well organized LinkedIn account, you can copy and paste your link here. They will visit and see who you are. Moving on the third company, which is always hiring online remote jobs. So this one is my favorite as well, because you will be able to filter all remote jobs available and see if there is other jobs available worldwide. You filter in China, there is no here today. You can go ahead and filter. Sometimes you will find those which is global companies. Sometimes you will be able to filter jobs available in your country. That is what I do normally. I come on this website and I filter and see if we have globally. If I see the location is globally, I share with you those jobs. Okay. Number 4 on our list is careerservices.com. Yes, they have international jobs. Go to their website and find jobs here. You will find jobs and then go to international jobs. You will go down and you will see here if you can select country according to which country where you are. Let's say if you are in Mexico, you can find the job availability. If you can translate in English as well, that's okay. And then go and find your job availability according to your country. You can see if you click to find jobs, my next job, you can see there is different jobs. If you filter with remote jobs, they have 300 jobs, remote jobs available. Yes, it might be most of them are in United States, but if you have time, filter and see if they have availability globally. Okay, so moving on the next number 5 on our list is jobs.concentric.com. Here you will find also different jobs available. If you click here on search jobs, you will be able to filter jobs as well. Also, you can enter your email so that they will alert you when there is a job matching with your interest. You filter here. Maybe I can filter remote jobs, or I'm in China, or I'm in Egypt. If I filter jobs in Egypt, let's say I'm in India, let's say full-time job, let's say I want full-time jobs, the job category, let's say I want global security, marketing, let's say you are interested in sales, you can filter accordingly. And then what you have to do is to put your email here. When there is a job available, they will notify you. Okay, so moving on the next number 6 on our list, transcription for everyone. This one have different projects. As you can see, they have so many things you can explore. In business, you can transcript. So they say that they need people to join their team. Also, what you have to do is to put your email here, and then they will notify you when there is a job available. Okay, so our video and podcast transcription will add value and quality to your videos. Transcripts are easily searchable by search engine and are easily contented on internet. So most of them you can find that are maybe people who do podcasts. So because they will increase their search engine if they have these transcriptions and caption on their video. You can see digital transcription. You can filter according to what you really want to work on. It doesn't matter. So if you want, you can put your phone number here and continue. Okay, this one says, send us your audio and video today. You will see for yourself that our staff understand the meaning of integrity and meticulousness down to the last details. So if you send them a sample of your audio and video, after putting your information here, they will reach out to you and tells you that to send them that video and sample of your audio. Okay, the next is revcom. This one also is very popular about transcriptionist, but it's not only transcription jobs, because you might click here. If you click here, you will find all those jobs. For example, this one is staff develop and it is remote, so you have to look here and see if it is available remote. You can see in sales they only have work availability in United States. Number 8 on our list is user testing. Yes, user testing also always have job availability in different sectors. You can see in accounting, you can see they have in finance, you can see in engineers, in different sectors, marketing. So what you have to do is to filter and see if they work remotely. For example, this one, they work remote, but it is in United States. Normally what I do is I search according to a job available worldwide. Okay, so you can do the same. Number 9 on our list is steveops.com. Here you will see they have also job availability according to your interest. You can go down here and filter jobs. You can see careers opportunity, and then you will start filter if you want maybe remote jobs. Yes, you can see they have all these companies. 4 companies they are hiring globally, and then you will see if they are hiring globally. So today I don't find. You can filter maybe marketing as well. So for example, this one, they need all this. You can see they have specific location they are interested into. If you don't find that one, you can go back to the jobs and find according to your interests. So the next company is called uhaul.com, jobs.uhaul.com. Here you will find remote jobs. Sometimes they have worldwide available, and you will be able to filter according to what you have. If you are looking for a job, I advise you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because normally I get these jobs, and when I see this job before you see it, you will be able to see that job. If not, you can always visit all those websites that I'm sharing with you, okay? So the very popular one is grassdoor.com. This is our last and it's our bonus companies, guys, because I shared with you so many companies. I believe it's above 10. Yes, so you can see they have different job position. So today I was able to find these jobs. It's all about tutoring online, English tutoring online, and their qualification. They need college degree, they need you to speak English. If you have interest in teaching, all those stuffs, and they pay $16 per hour. They have like benefits, employer assistance program, flexible schedule, and then you can choose your own hours. So this is tutoring. As we all know, tutoring, you can choose your availability, and then the student will see your availability and join you on your tutoring program. Yes, they need you to have this bachelor degree as well, and 2 years of teaching is preferred but not a must. So we have seen that in their requirement, you only need college degree, So it means it's for beginner. If you don't have even experience in teaching, that will be okay. So the language, they prefer to know Chinese. So, and the location is global remote jobs. So if you can teach English, you can join them here. You can apply by using your LinkedIn as well, or you can click here on easy apply. Also, if you are looking for a job here on Grassdoor, you can create job alerts. In such way, they will alert you when there is a job availability. Let's say you are looking for data entry global. You can create your job alert here so that if there is any data entry job globally, they will be able to contact you. So there is so many jobs here. Take a look, guys. So if you click on similar jobs, tutoring, privates, yes, you can find all those companies, and most of them, they don't require you to have like experience in teaching. For example, this one, you can even tutor mathematics, physics, chemistry, anything that you prefer. You can tutor in English, you can tutor Spanish, French, Korea. The requirement, there is no previous experience required. Basic knowledge of the object taught, basic knowledge of the subject taught. So if you feel like you are confident enough in mathematics or physics or chemistry, you can join them and start tutoring. And the secret of tutoring, guys, I have been tutoring in my past year, is that when you start, you will know it actually, So there is no need to say, oh, I don't feel like I will remember mathematics. No, you will actually remember it because you will plan before you meet your students. So if you are looking something to do or to increase your income, start looking for this tutoring online. It will help you. There you have it, guys. Those are the 10 companies where you can find jobs globally. Yes, what you have to do is take note for all those links, and then visit the links every day or create job alerts so that you will be notified when there is a job availability, okay? Again, we have cash giveaway going on. Yes, what you have to do is to like the video, be a subscriber, tell your friend to come and like your comment in the comment below so that we will be visible that you are winner to everyone, So that's what you have to do to be a winner of this May cash giveaway. Yes, remember, it's all videos in May. You like the video, comment and tell your friend to come and like your comment. The more likes you get to your comment, the more money, Alright, so this is the end of our video. Remember to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.